Alright, welcome back to another episode of Surrey's Worst Drivers. Well, Vancouver's as well.
You have reached
As
your
you can see here, this guy was
destination.
impatient, honking and passed me. Crazy drivers, man. This was just some police on the side of the road just talking. I don't know why they're just sitting there talking, but yeah, this person was slamming on their brakes for a green light. I don't understand why people do that in Surrey. And then this person, they were supposed to stop and wait for me, but then they wanted to go, so I was like, all right, just go ahead. You're already impatient, so. And this was just cops that pulled over a truck that actually crashed into the side of the road there. And then this was a dump truck that decided to take up both lanes over the bridge instead of just taking up one, so just thought I'd share that with you. Alright, so this dude started to swerve into my lane, which kind of sucked, so yeah, and then this person decides to try to cut over at the last second to try to merge onto the highway. Gotta love that. People trying to cut in front of you. Then this newbie at McDonald's clips the curb. I just thought that was kind of funny. Share that because it is kind of like worst driving, you know. And then this person almost like did a head-on collision backing out of their driveway. And then this person didn't see the pedestrian and actually almost hit them, which is actually pretty intense. Yeah, that would have been pretty scary. And then I wasn't too sure what this person was doing. They couldn't really make up their minds, so I just kind of scooped them. It's like, yeah, you snooze, you lose. And then this person I thought was going to turn into my lane, so I'm trying to give them plenty of room, but turns out they're turning left instead of right. So why would they have the right turn signal on? People are just messed up. But yeah, then this taxi driver here ends up going into my lane, so if I was actually there, he would have hit me. And the same taxi driver coming up in a second ends up swerving into my lane a little bit here, as you can see. So I like, had to give him caution because like, you don't want to get hit. People, this just started happening. People not using their riding lights. And if I was there, I would have been crushed by that truck. So glad I wasn't there. And note to people, intersections aren't for picking up or dropping off people. So that's kind of a pet peeve. And then also this person just taking up the intersection because he felt like he wanted to make the turn.